So I saw this sketch on YouTube and bought the fabric to make this dress. The amazing thing about this sketch is that it has gotten 151 million views on YouTube. I mean, how the hell do you get so many views if you are not Mr. Beast? I'm someone who has uploaded 5 videos on YouTube and did not get any views on any of my videos. So to make myself feel less miserable, I've watched my first video 40 times, the second video 12 times, third video 30 times, fourth video 22 times. And I know that I'll be the only person watching this video too, but to the person watching this video, I wanna say that don't feel frustrated if no one watches your videos, because I'm here to watch your videos, to support you, to love you, and to tell you that one day, your videos will too have 151 million views. Just don't stop believing in your dreams. Just keep dreaming. Just keep dreaming, like the Dory says. And one day, your dreams will come true.